Guys, I want to show you this amazing setting in Apollo features hedge strategy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I talk about trading with Apollo Crypto Trading Bot. If you don't know what Apollo Crypto Trading Bot is, Apollo Crypto Trading Bot is a robot that you connect with your exchange, Bybit, OKX, Binance using API, and you will need gas fee in Apollo Crypto Trading Bot, which is a minimum of $30 gas fee. Then you have any capital in your exchange. That is all. After that, all you need is to just go and set any coins, sit, relax, and keep watching your money coming. Now, in today's video, I want to show you a setting in Apollo features hedge and how it works. Now, if you are in Apollo Crypto Trading Bot, this is the features hedge strategy that I'm talking about. So you can set this strategy if you have $10, $5, $30, $100, any amount of dollars in your exchange. If you set these strategies, guys, it is a must that you will keep earning. When the coin is going up, going down, any position, you will be earning. Now, as you can see with my arrangement here, from the highest poorest performing coin up to the highest performing coin, and I like using Bybit exchange because its coins are not very many. The coins are few in it, and that is why I like using it, because these few coins are not always over delisted. Now, if I set my coins like this, I am trading this coin and it has done well for me, and I'm going to use it as example. Now, if I come to my features here, you're going to see that I have negative $10, and that is what we are going to explain right here. Now, this pin here was really doing so well in all my setting, and this is, as you can see, it is AI Hedge DCA that I have set it in. So now if we tap on it and we open, you can see that it has really reset. As you can see, it has reset and it is now running in a new cycle because it is sold on loss. And I'm going to tell you why it is sold on loss and the setting that you must set well correctly in Apollo features hedge strategy. Now we are going to open this coin, then we come and we click here. Now this coin really did so well for me. It made for me over $22 with a capital of $20 that I'm using for trading it. Now, if you see that at this time it is sold on profit and it is sold short, then it is sold long on loss. It is sold long on loss. Then again, it bought short and sold short on profit. Now, before it sells on loss, it means that this coin has made for you the profit that you have set from profit position. And I'm going to show you. Now, before I even explain that, let's come and we edit this coin. Now, when you're setting this coin, like when you're setting it from features hedge, all this is how it is. Now, I always tell you that you can leave profit amount in this, or you can adjust any size that you need, up or down. Now, this is the setting that I want us to talk about. Now, with this setting, it means that if you're trading in features hedge and your profit hits $6, profits hits $6 that you're going to remain with in your account, the coin is going to sell on loss and you save $6. Now with Pipin here, as I said, I made over 20 something dollars. So and it decided to sell on loss because it had already made for me that amount over 20 something dollars. Then it is so that I had a profit that I remained with in my account, $6. Then it is sold the remaining on loss. That is to protect your account from being liquidated and also to reset the coin. Now If you want to set the strategy, you can come here, then you can adjust it to big or small, or you can just leave it in $6. You can either leave it like that, but it is according to what in. But if you have too much capital and you're trading with too much, you don't need to leave it here. Just increase it to even 30, 100, any amount that you want to set. But of course, I'm going to leave it at. So that is the setting that I am talking about. Now, after seeing that setting, we are going to come here, then we check on the logs. And when you tap on the logs, we are going to see that it made for me profit and it is sold on loss. Now, if you keep following and counting, you're going to see that I had made over 20 something dollars before it is sold on loss. So you can see it made for me, this is one day and one time it made for me profit here. One you can see how it made for me all that. So for it to go and sell on loss, it means it is now having the profit that you have set in profit amount, even if it sells on loss. If you've set like for example, let me show you with another coin like this coin, or we can use even flow. So you can see even here I have set it to $6, as you can see it in profit amount, but it has not sold because this coin is still in loss. So this one did not sell because it is still on loss. Now when it comes on green light, you're seeing this one, and it makes a profit, or it remains in a profit of $6, then it is going to sell on loss. Then you remain with the profit that you have set in the profit amount. So that is the setting that I wanted to show you in this video. Now there is this other setting in position setting here. So if you tap here, like we tap on like this, you're going to see that mine here is on 0. If I had set here at $6, then it means that all these coins here you're seeing would have sold all, and I remain only with $6. So that is why I don't encourage you guys to set this position amount here. Don't set it, leave it in 0, but consider setting each coin with its profit amount. So that is what I wanted to happen, and I show you, because Pipin here was really doing so well in short, and it was over floating in long, and now when it made for me that profit, so it had to sell on loss and remains with that profit. But even if that one has happened, let me go and show you my profit in the month. So you can see that in this month, this is what I have. This is $6, and here it is sold on loss. But of course, if you're not in my Telegram channels, please find the links under this video description. Before it is sold here, I had already shared my screenshot to motivate you. This is a real online money making bot. All you need is have an account, gas fee of $30, and you need a capital in your exchange. If you have that, just come and set features hedge. Then here you can select any coin, overperforming coin or underperforming coin, and you're going to make your money when you're doing other things. So you can set it like now. If I tap like this, I set it like this, I reduce this one as like I want it to be in 1 like that. Then the X here, I can leave it at 10. So that is only the simple setting that I always set. After that, then I just come and click on launch the coin. So if I launch like this, it's going to wait and maybe buy both short and long, and you keep earning your money from it. So guys, that is all I wanted to share with you. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Join my Telegram and WhatsApp group. The links are under this video description. Also, don't forget to use Bybit to trade and reduce on the chances of getting your coins that you're trading being delisted. Let's meet in the next coming video.